Welcome to a brief introduction to Flare Solutions NDR products for operators. For over 2 decades, Flare Solutions has supported national regulators and major operators, including Shell, BP, TotalEnergies, Equinor, and the UK NSTA, in managing complex energy data. Our work in intelligent search, metadata management, compliance monitoring, and system integration has helped streamline oversight and improve the value of critical information. But even with decades of progress, a number of challenges continue to affect most operators. Vast volumes of information are scattered across silos, reports, seismic and wells data, emails and archives are often duplicated and rarely easy to find. But the real pressure comes when regulators demand accurate submissions. Regulatory reporting is mandatory, but with complex rules, tight deadlines and high stakes, errors can mean costly delays or penalties. Compliance shouldn't be a fire drill. What if compliance could be automated and reliable? Minder, built on Flare's Cirrus platform, automatically scans, classifies and organizes your information. It highlights gaps, duplicates and risks, giving you a clear, real-time picture of reporting readiness. And for operators, that means tackling the 5 toughest compliance challenges head-on. Operators need clarity on what must be submitted and when. Minder's compliance dashboards make obligations visible across all assets and licenses, highlighting deadlines and priorities. No more guesswork, no more last-minute scrambles. The next challenge is locating the right information to submit. Finding the right files can often be the biggest time drain. Minder searches across all of your repositories at once, instantly retrieving what's needed and flagging gaps or missing records before they cause problems. But finding data is only half the battle. It must also be correctly classified, sorted and tagged. Minder automatically applies consistent classification using industry taxonomies and completes the mandatory tags regulators require. Every file is correctly labeled with well IDs, seismic references, license numbers, and project codes, reducing errors and speeding up acceptance. Once located and tagged, files must also pass strict quality and format checks before submission. Every regulator has these requirements. Minder validates file formats and metadata needs against the NDR schema before submission, flagging issues early and ensuring compliance the first time without rejection delays. The final challenge is keeping track of every submission and certificate. Operators need to prove what was submitted, when and to whom. Minder records every transmission, every transaction, automatically linking content to certificates of compliance, and provides a complete audit trail. That means smoother regulatory interactions and internal accountability you can rely on. That assurance comes from Minder being built on Flare's proven Cirrus platform, the same foundation trusted by global operators and regulators for more than 2 decades. With millions of files indexed and the most sophisticated industry taxonomies proven in the field, operators know they're building on technology with a track record of trust and compliance. And now Minder is ready to support your compliance challenges too. From daily operations to regulatory submissions, Minder gives operators clarity, confidence and control over their compliance journey. If you're ready to simplify compliance and reduce risk, contact Flare now and ask about Minder.